Hey there, fellow dreamers and doers. Today, we're diving headfirst into an exciting journey that's set to transform Ethiopia's economic landscape. Picture this, the sun rising over the Ethiopian skyline, casting its warm glow upon the bustling streets below. It's a new day, filled with endless possibilities and opportunities waiting to be seized. And at the heart of it all, the launch of Ethiopia's capital market, a game-changing moment that's about to shake up the status quo and pave the way for a brighter future. Step 1. The Ethiopian Diaspora, a powerful economic force. In the bustling streets of Addis Ababa, where the aroma of freshly roasted coffee fills the air, there's a palpable sense of connection to distant lands. Ethiopians have always held a deep bond with their homeland, even when oceans and continents separate them. From the busy markets of Washington, D.C. to the vibrant neighborhoods of London, the Ethiopian diaspora remains an unbreakable thread weaving through the fabric of the nation's economy. Imagine a scene where families gather around dinner tables, thousands of miles away from Ethiopia, but their hearts still beat in rhythm with the homeland. It's in these moments that the diaspora's contribution shines brightest. Through remittances sent with love and sacrifice, they bridge the gap between distant shores, injecting vitality into the veins of Ethiopia's economy. In the first 5 months of the fiscal year alone, their unwavering support poured in over $164 billion, a testament to the enduring bond between the diaspora and their motherland. Yet it's not just about the money. The diaspora brings with them a wealth of knowledge, expertise, and global perspectives. Picture Ethiopian professionals excelling in boardrooms, Ethiopian entrepreneurs igniting sparks of innovation, and Ethiopian artists dazzling audiences on international stages. Each success story, each triumph, is a beacon of hope for Ethiopia's economic future. Step 2. Success stories of diaspora investments. Close your eyes and picture a bustling street in the heart of Addis Ababa. Among the vibrant tapestry of shops and stalls, a new storefront catches your eye. It's owned by an Ethiopian entrepreneur who returned from abroad, armed with dreams and determination. With the support of diaspora investments, this entrepreneur's venture is not just a business. It's a testament to the diaspora's unwavering commitment to their homeland. Across Ethiopia, similar stories unfold, each one a testament to the diaspora's entrepreneurial spirit and determination. From tech startups revolutionizing industries to agricultural ventures transforming rural communities, diaspora investments are driving economic growth and prosperity. These success stories aren't just about profits. They're about empowerment, resilience, and the enduring bond between Ethiopians at home and abroad. Step 3. Key sectors for investment in Ethiopia. As the sun rises over the Ethiopian horizon, casting its golden glow upon the land, opportunities abound in key sectors primed for growth. Imagine vast fields stretching to the horizon, ripe for agricultural innovation. Picture bustling cities teeming with activity, where technology and creativity converge to shape the future. These are the sectors where Ethiopia's economic destiny is written. In mining, tourism, manufacturing and beyond, Ethiopia offers a canvas for investors to paint their dreams. From the lush landscapes of the Oromia region to the bustling metropolis of Addis Ababa, each corner of the country holds promise and potential. With strategic investments and forward-thinking policies, Ethiopia is charting a course towards prosperity for all. Step 4. The Ethiopian Capital Market, a game changer. In the heart of Addis Ababa, where the rhythms of the city pulse with energy and excitement, a new chapter in Ethiopia's economic story is about to unfold. The Ethiopian Capital Market Authority, SCMA, standing as a beacon of progress and opportunity, is poised to launch the Ethiopian capital market. It's more than just a market, it's a platform for dreams to take flight, for aspirations to become reality. As the sun sets over the city, casting its warm glow upon the streets below, investors from around the world gather to witness history in the making. With securities such as shares, bonds, and derivatives set to find a new home in Ethiopia's capital market, opportunities abound for those bold enough to seize them. From the skyscrapers of downtown Addis Ababa to the rural villages of the countryside, the Ethiopian capital market holds the promise of a brighter future for all. Step 5. Ways for diaspora participation. Picture a family gathered around a laptop screen, thousands of miles away from Ethiopia. As they navigate through investment options on the Ethiopian capital market, a sense of pride fills the room. They may be oceans apart, but their hearts beat in rhythm with their homeland. For the Ethiopian diaspora, participation in the capital market is more than just a financial decision. It's a way to make a difference. Whether through investing in securities, sending remittances for investment purposes, or engaging in direct investment, the diaspora plays a crucial role in shaping Ethiopia's economic future. With each investment, they sow the seeds of prosperity and hope for generations to come. Step 6. Benefits of investing in the Ethiopian capital market. As dawn breaks over the Ethiopian skyline, illuminating the city below with hues of pink and gold, investors gather to witness the birth of a new era. The Ethiopian capital market, with its promise of opportunity and growth, holds the potential to transform the nation's economy and empower its people. With access to long-term financing, economic stability, and risk diversification, the benefits of investing in the capital market are manifold. For local entrepreneurs and international investors alike, it offers a gateway to prosperity and progress. As Ethiopia opens its doors to the world, the capital market stands as a symbol of hope and possibility for all who dare to dream. Step 7. Risks associated with investing. Yet, amidst the promise of prosperity, challenges and risks lurk in the shadows. Economic volatility, market fluctuations, and political instability cast a shadow of uncertainty over the investment landscape. For investors, navigating these risks requires courage, resilience, and a keen understanding of market dynamics. As the sun sets over the Ethiopian horizon, casting its warm glow upon the land, investors gather to reflect on the journey ahead. With each challenge comes an opportunity, and with each risk comes a chance to learn and grow. In Ethiopia's capital market, as in life, success often lies on the other side of adversity. Step 8. Information resources for investors. In the digital age, information is power and knowledge is the key to success. For investors looking to navigate the Ethiopian capital market, a wealth of resources awaits at their fingertips. From government agencies to international organizations, industry reports to financial news outlets, the roadmap to investment success is within reach. As the sun rises over the Ethiopian horizon, casting its golden glow upon the land, investors gather to chart their course. With the right information and resources at their disposal, they embark on a journey filled with promise and possibility. In Ethiopia's capital market, as in life, knowledge is the currency of success. Step 9. Success stories of diaspora investments. As the sun sets over the Ethiopian horizon, casting its warm glow upon the land, success stories of diaspora investments illuminate the sky like stars in the night. From entrepreneurs returning to their homeland to diaspora bonds fueling new investments, the diaspora's contributions to Ethiopia's economic growth are woven into the fabric of its history. For diaspora investors, success isn't just about profits, it's about making a difference. With each investment, they sow the seeds of hope and opportunity, transforming communities and changing lives. As Ethiopia's economy continues to thrive and prosper, the diaspora's legacy of impact and empowerment will endure for generations to come. Step 10. Getting involved in infrastructure projects. Imagine a world where roads stretch as far as the eye can see, where bridges span rivers and valleys, connecting communities and fostering growth. In Ethiopia, infrastructure projects are more than just construction. They're pathways to progress and prosperity. For investors looking to get involved in infrastructure projects, opportunities abound. From public-private partnerships to government tenders, the options are as diverse as the projects themselves. Whether it's financing roads, bridges, or power plants, each investment is a step towards building a brighter future for Ethiopia and its people. As the sun sets on our journey through Ethiopia's economic evolution, let's take a moment to reflect on the road ahead. It's been a whirlwind of excitement, innovation, and growth, and the best part? This is just the beginning. With the Ethiopian capital market leading the charge, the future looks brighter than ever before. So, fellow dreamers and doers, let's keep pushing forward, seizing opportunities, and shaping a tomorrow filled with hope, prosperity, and endless possibilities. The best is yet to come.